everybody, welcome in my channel. Today we're gonna make something called Zalabia. Zalabia just 4 or 3 ingredients: yeast and flour. I got my water here. Then put your salt. It's gonna be like 3 minutes. It's ready now. We're gonna put the flour. Zalabia, we use it. You can drink it with tea. You can eat it just with sugar. So people make it different way. It's not hard to make it. Some people, they mix it with milk. Yes, I like it without milk. You don't have to make it very hard, just see this texture is ready. We're gonna leave it for 30 minutes and then we're gonna fry it. But don't forget to put the oil on the top because you don't need the top to dry out. Actually, can I get some wicked moving the So time we're gonna fry our Zalabia. Make sure your oil is very hot. When it's hot, it's easy for you to finish it fast. Just take it like this and dig hole here. Just like this. And put your was ready. Look like this. Gold and brown is the best. It's like fried donuts. It's ready, guys. After I fried it, it look like this. So we use tea. This is milk tea. We use it for breakfast. Every morning you wake up, especially on the weekend, you can make it for your family. So just you have to use milk. And then take one, dip it in, and then eat and drink the tea. That's the best thing in the morning you can do. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and share and like. Help me to reach the 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. See you next video. Bye.